Hi guys, welcome to Mr.Laaroos' YouTube channel. Today we are talking how to select the correct audience for a Facebook ad. First, you have to go your Facebook page and select the post that you want to boost.
I choose this post and click the Promote button. After that, you will be taken to an interface like this. After that, select the audience details. Now you can select the gender and age of your audience, like this. By targeting a specific audience, you ensure that your ads are relevant to the people who see them. Relevance increases the likelihood of engagement and conversions because users are more likely to respond positively to content that aligns with their interests, demographics, and behaviors. Define the audience you want to analyze. You can specify demographics, interests, behaviors, and more to narrow down your audience. Once you've selected your audience parameters, click on the Location tab within Audience Insights. Here, you'll see a map displaying the geographic distribution of your selected audience. To add pins to the map, you can use the search bar or zoom in out to locate specific regions. Once you've found a location of interest, you can click on the map to drop a pin. You can add multiple pins to represent different regions or areas. As you add pins to the map, Audience Insights will provide demographic and behavioral data for the selected regions. You can analyze this information to understand how your target audience varies across different locations. Based on the insights you gather from the map, you can refine your targeting strategy to better reach your desired audience. For example, if you notice a concentration of potential customers in a particular city or region, you may choose to allocate more advertising budget to target that area specifically. Selecting the right interests and demographics for your Facebook ads is crucial for reaching your target audience effectively. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you with this process. Before you start selecting interests and demographics, you need to have a clear understanding of who your ideal customers are. Consider factors such as age, gender, location, income level, education level, marital status, job title, interests, hobbies, and behaviours. Facebook's Audience Insights tool is a valuable resource for understanding your target audience's demographics, interests, and behaviours. You can use it to explore different demographic segments and see what interests and behaviours they have in common. Think about the interests and hobbies that are likely to be shared by your target audience. These could be related to their profession, lifestyle, hobbies, or passions. For example, if you're selling outdoor gear, you might target people interested in hiking, camping, or adventure travel. Select demographic criteria that match your target audience. This could include age, gender, location, language, education level, relationship status, and more. Make sure to tailor these criteria to reflect the characteristics of your ideal customers. Now you can save the audience. By leveraging your saved target audience effectively, you can optimize your Facebook advertising efforts, reach the right people with the right message, and drive better results for your business. Subscribe my channel and join with me. I am Mr. Laaroos.